Hi everyone, hope you had an awesome day yesterday. Let's continue with our learning on algebra. And today is going to be a summary of what we've been talking about when it comes to variables and equations. So, our learning goal. I hope that with the activities you've been able to do, you'll feel confident to say that I understand different ways that variables are used. Realizing that a variable is a letter or shape that represents a number or a quantity, and sometimes this variable represents an unknown amount we want to figure out, where it could be 13 plus 10 equals the variable. And we know that the left side of the equal sign and the right side have to be the same. So this square unknown variable would have to be 23. We can also see it where we have 2 plus a variable equals the known number of 10. And again, we have to make both sides of the imaginary scale balance. How would we get 10 on the right when we start with 2 on the left? Well, in this unknown number, it would have to be 8 to make it work. And then that ties into our vocab. The variable is that letter, shape, or other symbol that stands for a number, such as in 3 plus 8 equals 12. And then the variable makes up the equation when we have the left side and the right side of the equal sign being the same, really being equal. So an equation is a mathematical sentence. It is balanced around an equal symbol. For example, 4 plus 4 equals 8, or 4 plus z is equal to, or the same as 6 plus 12. We might even have more than one variable, like 3 times n equals a new variable n. That's an equation too, because it's implied that n would be the same value of 3 times m here. So really it's just a summary today to see that that variable is an unknown quantity and the equation is that whole math sentence here. Sometimes a variable represents a value that can change, but it would still make the equation true. Our formula for area is always an equation, right? Area equals length times width. So for example, if we were to see 4 times m is the same as 2 times s, many numbers could work, but it would have to be that the variable s is always double the value of m. Or area equals length times width is that equation for any rectangle, and it tells us that any time you multiply length and width together, you get area. So it shows us how an equation can have many different answers, but it has to balance and be true here. Sometimes a variable is used to describe two ways to say the same thing. For example, 2 times something equals something plus something. You could say 2 times a number plus 5 is the same as a number plus 2 added to another number plus 2. So just to show you here the different ways we've been looking at variables this week and throughout the year as well. So take a look online. There are some practice questions to demonstrate your understanding of variables. Have an awesome day, everyone. Bye-bye.